In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a GetResponse landing page. We're going to walk through this process slowly and clearly so you can confidently take any landing page offline when you no longer want it visible to visitors. This is especially helpful if you're updating a campaign, fixing mistakes, or simply no longer need that particular page live. First, start by logging into your GetResponse account. Use your usual login details and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the main navigation area for the menu often represented by a small hamburger icon, which is 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click that to open the Tools menu. From the Tools menu, choose the option labeled Landing Pages. This is where GetResponse lists all of the landing pages you've created under your account. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a table or grid with your landing page names, their performance stats, and their current status. Next, you'll want to locate the specific landing page you want to take offline. If you have many pages, it can help to quickly scan by name, or use any available search or filter options to narrow things down. Take a second to double-check you're selecting the correct page, especially if you have similar names or multiple versions of the same offer. Once you've found the right landing page, look for the status section for that page. This is usually displayed as a toggle switch or a button that clearly shows whether the page is currently published or not. When the page is live, the indicator is often colored, for example, green or blue, to show that it's active. To unpublish the page, click on that status control. You may see it labeled as Unpublish, or you might simply click the toggle to turn it off. After you click, the indicator should change, typically turning gray or appearing inactive. That visual change is your confirmation that the landing page is now offline and no longer available to visitors. It's a good idea to wait a couple of seconds and then refresh the page to make sure the status remains unpublished. You can also test the original landing page URL in a browser. It should no longer load the live page. And that's all there is to it. Log in, go to Tools, open Landing Pages, find your page, and switch its status to Unpublished to take it off.